Hello there, it's Mike from Hobby Print. We're looking at the maintenance functions that the Megatank G-Series printers contain, and today we're going to look at the ink flushing function and how you would navigate to it and how you would use it. So without further ado, we're on Windows 10. If you're using a different Windows platform, you should be able to work out how to navigate through based on what I'm showing here. So we come down to the left hand bottom corner, click the Windows icon and go to the settings option. Let's click on that, and we've got here devices, which is where the printers are, just there. So let's click on that. Now it's confusing, there are two printers and scanners on the left hand side, devices and printers on the right hand side. I find you have more functionality going in on the right hand side under devices and printers, so let's do that. A list will appear as it has done, and what we're after is a Canon G-Series 1020 series printers. That's a Megatank. We've actually got a 1520 set up. So we would right click on our mouse and we've got printing preferences and printer properties. You can navigate to where we need to be, that being the maintenance tab, using either of these. So we're going to use just printer properties, and you will see there is a maintenance tab on the screen. There we go, we've clicked that and we've got a maintenance button. And as you can see, there's a whole array of functionality that is there to help you keep your printer working in tip-top condition, from head cleaning, deep head cleaning when it's stubborn, so on and so forth. I'm not going to go through them all, as you can read them. We're interested in ink flush, and we would use this when you're replacing a cartridge in the printer or when you've got air in the tubes. What this does, it flushes through the system and refills the tubes and any replacement cartridges that you've put in. So to use it, you would just hit the ink flush and you'll get this warning come up here telling you basically it's going to use a lot of ink. But if you need to do it, you need to do it. So all you would do to get this going is click the OK button and let it go off and do its thing. Now again, you've got more warnings here. You can do all colours, or if it's just a black that hasn't got ink in it, or it's just one of the colours, you can select here whichever tube you wish to flush. Let's do all colours, and you would just hit start. Now I'm not going to do it because I don't actually have the printer switched on. So that is the procedure. Once you've clicked start, sit back, wait 5-10 minutes, a message will come back, say it's done, and you will find that your ink tubes are full. I hope that helps. Thank you.